Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about the HTML. So what is HTML or Hypertext Markup Language? It is the backbone of every web page you ever visited, and also it is a structure to add text and also add image and create a link and forming the core of everything you ever visited in online. So let's do the video and see how we can build the web page using HTML. So yeah, hello guys. So now we are in the Visual Studio Code, and you can also the code in your Notepad, also Sublime Text. You can use a lot of IDE to write a HTML code. So first, we have to just open the document type as a HTML. Okay, right. Then we have to open our HTML tag. So every page when you create with HTML, you have to open this HTML tag, and also you have to close this tag. You can close this one using this symbol, which is a black slash. So now inside of a HTML tag, we have to just create a head tag, which is we are just give the title for this website. It will appear in here, right? So we are just give the head tag. And also we just give the closing tag, and inside of this we just give the title tag and close this tag, and also we just give the text as my web page, my first web page. Right, now if I save this one and if I refresh this, you can see here it will appear my web page in here in the tab. So how we can add to text to this interface, this white color interface? So in that case, we are using tag of a body. So just we are type a body here. This is a body tag, right? And also close this tag. And also inside of this tag, first we have to give the heading. So I just using heading tag. H1 tag is a heading tag. They have a lot of heading tags like H1, H2, H3 that will differ as a font size. For example, if I create a now head H1 tag, it will appear in here like this, right? So if I change this one, so I just copy this 2, 3, and 4. So I just change this as a heading 2 and also heading 3. So those are we can get as a sub headings, right? So just type 2 and 3 and 4, right? If I save this one now, so if I refresh this page now, you can see here it will change the font size, and also we can get this tag. We can use this tag as a sub headings. So now we want to add some paragraph to our web page. So in that case, we are using a p tag, right? Just type p, and this is my first web page. So I just type here, this is a paragraph, right? So this is a paragraph. Okay, the short form is paragraph, right? So I save this one, and now here, if I refresh this, so you can see here, hello world, this is our heading, and also this is our paragraph, which is our paragraph, right? So now we are going to see how we can add to link to our web page. For example, if I click this one, if I click this is a paragraph, so it will go into another web page, like it will go into the Google, right? So how we can create that? So we are just using the a tag for this. It mean a mean like a anchor tag, right? So we are just using a, and also with a tag we are just using half href tag. Href is an attribute and how links work, right? So if you just hover here, you can see content URL of a URL fragment that the hyperlink point. A URL fragment is the name of proceed by hash mark, which is specified the target location, and they have a lot of, you can just refer the documentation. So this is the website when I click this Doodle, it will go to the Doodle, right? So if I save this one, and if I refresh this page, so you can see they have a doodle in here, which is underlined and also the highlight little bit. So if I click this one, so you can see here, I will go to the web page, which is a doodle. So I just go back. And also that is how we can add some tag. So now we are going to see how we can add the image. So I have one image in my folder. There I have image.png. So now we are going to add image to our website. So how we can add? We are just add a tag, and we also just use src here and equal. We have to give the our image png. So this is our image, and we can add just using this blackshas dot and blackshas, and also we can give the path of the image. Right. So, and we can also give the alternative this description of the image, like which image is this, right? So we can just give the width, and also we can just give the height as I just give the 200, right? So if I save this one now, so if I refresh this page, so you can see here they have our image. This is how we can add image to our web page. So now I am going to tell you what happened. We need to create some list, right? So in that case, we are using UL. This is unordered list, right? When we're using UL, it is a unordered list. So so if I save this one and if I run this one in, so you can see here they have a 3 item which is with the bullet point. So this is an unordered list. So now we are going to see another type of list which is ordered list. So we just create ordered list as using OL, and also we just give this list item. So you can just mention a list using UL and OL. This is an ordered list and this is an unordered list. And you can just give the item which is using this tag LI, and also you can close this tag. So if I save this one, and now if I refresh this page, so you can see here unordered list is also item is shown with the bullet points, and also ordered list they have no bullet point, they have a count of 1, 2, 3, right? That's the difference between ordered list and unordered list, right? So that's all for the list. So now quickly we are going to explain about how to style our paragraph. So for example, I just create a paragraph here as this is paragraph, right? So if I see here, so you can see they have this is paragraph. So in that case, I want to change the color of this text, right? So how I can change the color? So I just have to add the attribute here as style. I just change the color as blue. So you can see now our text is, so I just refresh this. So you can see now our text is blue. Is a blue color, right? Okay, that's how we can change the color of our paragraph, right? So almost this video we are talked about the how to create a web page, and also we learned the HTML tag, how we can add the title to our web page, and also how we can add the headings, and also how we can add the subheading, and also how we can add the paragraph, how to add the link, and how to add the image. So those so far we are learned in this HTML video. So this video for just beginners. So see you guys in the next video. So if you guys get anything, so subscribe the channel and like the video. See you guys in the next video.